Alright, we're going to drain the second battery we're testing. URGENEX 2200 milliamp. I'm also going to run the Truggy tires that we got for the Truggy conversion. These might be a good solution as Truggy tires if they can hold up. We'll see. A little leery of them. But they got a lot of traction. Tons of traction. So this would be an off-road rig. Holy cow. Turn the dual rate down. She's on 100. Down to 65. Alright. Definitely flies different. Gotta get my groove, gotta get my groove. It's pretty cool though. A lot of grip. It's almost time to redo all this tape. Controls really well. I like these tires. Okay, they might be winners. We'll see long term. You gotta see how well they hold up. But considering the kit is $10 and you get a body mounts and all the other stuff, these are like $5 tires. I've seen them sold separately for $11. Doesn't make sense to not get the buggy conversion kit. This might be a candidate for the Carbon 12. It really does run nice. I gotta say, it kind of runs better than the monster truck, the LC Racing monster truck. Let's see if she can hit some wall rides. We gotta hit it first. Steering's a little different. Oh yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem at all. I'll get these rugs matted down once I'm sure that that's where they're going. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. We'll have to put these on the 112-4008 as well. Get into the skate park. Woohoo! Right up. Lots of traction, easy to grip. Ah! I knew that was gonna happen. Awesome. Lots of grip. I'm digging it. Digging it a lot. Traction rolling all over, but that's not a big deal. It's me getting used to it, that's all. Come on. Yeah, me getting me. So we got 10 minutes already on this one too, so that's a good 35 minutes for each. Put that back where it belongs. That was cool. Like a lip trick. Zone in a minute there. That was some good running. And still plenty of gas. I'm obviously trying to learn my Alright. Good lap with the wall ride. This one you got a feather on the jumps, you can't just throttle it. Probably because of the wheels. Probably does some good tricks. Front flips. My depth perception must be off today. Man, I'm always hitting that thing. Good running, good running. So I would say you get 30-40 minutes easy. Probably more. And these are good rigs, man. They're draining them. They're not, you know, it's not a 60 amp going nutty, 110. But these are little batteries. They're not the batteries for that. These are for your HBXs, your 114s. All your little guys, the stuff I like. That's why they're perfect. Ooh, that's not good. The goats are out. What are you guys doing? That's what they do when they're trying to get your attention. Asserting their dominance. Oh, that's nice. I didn't touch the steering at all. I just let the transition take it. You're not getting out, you know. I made it so you can't no more. Again. How many is that? 4, 5 times? This car's awesome. We're still going. Some smooth runs. I know that's my biggest jinx. Big fatty tires. See? Never fails. Never fails. Anyways, I think we've proved our point. We had a break in between, so I can't really judge it. But these things, these tires are awesome. I'm going to keep them on it. I might put them on the Carbon 12, because that's really what they're intended for. Oh, that's nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed my rambling and driving. Oh, so awesome. So, alright, this will be the test. We'll do a balloon test, full speed. What's left? Ooh, she's a little warm. Okay, that's 65%. They don't really balloon at all. That's pretty cool. Now this is a pretty dead flat battery, so hard to say. We'll test our temps again. 141, a little hotter than last time. So we pushed it. We pushed it. Good run today. Pretty happy. Ooh, my heat shrinks. Getting gooey. That means it's hot. It's all these tires. That's the other reason I wanted the tires, because it's going to push that motor a little more than it would normally. So anyways, hope you like and subscribe. That's all for now. Hopefully I got some of this.